Let's talk about confidence. The number one thing holding photographers back, it isn't gear, it isn't camera settings, it's self-doubt. And stock photography kills doubt. Every upload, practice. Every sale, proof. Every time somebody chooses your photo, validation. Look, maybe your first sale, you only get 10 cents.
What the?
But out of millions of photos, somebody chose yours. And that's gotta tell you something. So if you're looking for approval, you just got it. And then one day, you find your photo on a billboard or a magazine or even in a book cover. And you're like, wait a minute, if I can do this, what else can I do? And this is where stock photography wins. Not because it's the end game, but because it proves that you're ready for what comes next. All right, enough with the music, break it down a notch. So what's next? Wedding photography, product photography, travel photography? You're ready for whatever comes next. You see, stock photography gives you confidence, and that confidence is what lets you do anything. And not that fake blue chew confidence. This is real confidence that you know that you can perform when you've done it many times before and you can continue to perform. Real confidence. So start shooting and start selling and then dream bigger, because now you know you got what it takes. Now, I don't know about you, but I've never heard a crackhead say, yo, I ain't got no money, so I ain't gonna smoke today. No, they go and they find a way. They make that happen. Don't get out hustled by a crackhead. Go and make it happen. My name is Charles Wollertz. This is Wollertz Photography. Like, subscribe, and follow for more photography related videos.